Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, 10 Ways to Wear It. I'm Alicia, and on this channel I take one fashion item or one fashion trend and show you all 10 different ways to wear it. Now today's video is going to be a spring home update haul. I've recently picked up a bunch of really cool items from TJ Maxx. I have items for the kitchen, the living room, the bathroom, and I think you're going to love them just as much as I do. If you want to see what I've picked up to add a spring touch to my place, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Alrighty, you all, I have all of my items laid out on a table in front of me, but before I go ahead and jump into them, I want to show you my outfit of the day. Today I am wearing this really cute skirt set. This is from ASOS, and I did wear it last year in Jamaica, and I haven't worn it since, so I thought it would be perfect to throw on for today's video. It's super cute. I threw it on with these strappy flat black sandals from ASOS as well, and just a cute little simple outfit. Okay, we dressed really cool today. I got a lot of cool items to show you, so let's go ahead and jump right into those. Okay, so jumping right into the video, I'm going to be starting off with the larger items that I have to show you all. And as I show them to you, I'm going to insert clips so you can see the actual application of these items and see what they look like in my place. So I'm going to start off with this large rug. This is an area rug that I picked up from tjmaxx.com. It's in a gorgeous tribal or African print, and I love that. It goes with my aesthetic so well because my aesthetic in my home is what I like to call tribal chic. So it has some luxury accents, like a lot of gold and shiny pieces, but it also has a lot of tribal and ethnic pieces, and this rug is perfect for my living room. It goes great with my chairs, and it is a 5 foot 3 inch by 7 foot 8 inch rug. So it's a really nice size area rug. It'll look great with my new coffee table that I have coming. And like I said, it looks great in my living room with my chairs. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip of the rug on the floor so that you all can see it. As you can see, it's in a black and sort of like a tannish color. It has that beautiful tribal print. It almost looks a little bit worn, and I love that look because I love a rustic feel in my home along with some luxury accents. So that's the look that I always go for, and this rug is stunning. It was $80 on the TJ Maxx website, and it is still available, so I will of course link it for you all. It's a stunning rug. If you have like a ethnic aesthetic in your home, a tribal aesthetic, African aesthetic, or any type of super ethnic eccentric aesthetic, this rug would be perfect for your living room. So love that. Now I want to go ahead and get into the new curtains that I picked up. My white curtains from IKEA back there are starting to look a little bit dingy. They're starting to look a little worn, and I did wash them recently, but they kind of are starting to get like a grayish tone to them for some reason. They're not the bright white that they were when I bought them, and I've always wanted like a genuine set of linen curtains. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and buy them now. And even though I'm not planning to be in this apartment for long, I still want it to look nice. So I picked up these curtains from TJ Maxx. I bought 2 sets. They come in pairs, so there's 2 curtains in each of these packs. They were $80 each, and the reason why they were $80 is because they're genuine linen curtains. If you don't know, linen curtains are expensive, okay? They cost a good coin, and these are nice and long. They are 50 inches by 108 inches, so really nice linen curtains. I love linen curtains because you don't have to iron them majorly. You can kind of just steam them a little bit and leave the wrinkles. Eventually the wrinkles will kind of fall out of them, and you know, with my living room the wrinkles don't really matter because my aesthetic is kind of rustic anyway. But these curtains are just bomb. I'm gonna take them to the cleaners to have them pressed really well for the, you know, once and only time, because usually once I have them pressed, they're a hard press. And so once I wash them and stuff like that, I really can just hang them up after that. But these are stunning, and they do come in longer lengths as well on the website. So they had a couple of different lengths of these. They're made by the brand Pure Luxury, and like I said, 100% super white linen curtains. They're gonna brighten up my living room so much, and I will insert a clip right now so you all can see the curtains actually installed. So you know, you want to see what they look like. They are stunning. I have my little gray balls holding them that I also picked up from TJ Maxx. They're like a rope of balls, and they're kind of great for holding back your curtains. So I have those on there, and just a really nice set of linen curtains, you all. A nice upgrade to my living room, so love those. The next item that I want to share with you all is going to be a tablecloth and runner. I actually bought these 2 pieces to style together, and I'm going to show you a clip in a second. But first I'll go ahead and show you the tablecloth. It is by the brand Martha Stewart. It's an indoor-outdoor tablecloth, and it is in this beautiful lemon print. So spring vibes right there for sure. You're getting that typical spring look with this tablecloth. It is gorgeous. But how I like to do it differently is to pair it with sort of a rustic runner, and this is also from TJ Maxx. Both of these pieces came from in-store, but I'll do my best to find them online. But this is the runner that I picked up to pair with this tablecloth, and as you can see, it is like a double layer runner. It has like this sort of grainy part under it, and then it has the stripe part. Both are made out of like a linen material, so it has that sort of rustic look to it, and it will look so nice running down the middle of this tablecloth. And I will go ahead and insert a clip right now to show you all this set on my table. My table is not an expensive table. Usually when I'm doing tablescapes and stuff like that, I go upstairs to use my sister's table, which is a Restoration Hardware table. She spent coins on that table, but I don't have a dining table in my place. But trust and believe, by the end of 2022, baby, y'all can expect a lot of home videos because I will be in a home. But as you can see, this tablescape is gorgeous. Those lemons and that bright yellow paired with my rustic table runner look amazing. So I love these pieces. It just really inspires me for the home that I have coming, y'all. I cannot wait. I'm planning to start a supper club, so if you're in the Southern California area and you like to cook and host dinners at your home, I'm definitely going to be hitting y'all up. So if you want to join my supper club, expect to hear about that later on this year, because I will be starting one and I'm super excited about it. But yeah, picked up that tablecloth and runner, and like I said, those are from in-store at TJ Maxx, but I will find those pieces online if I can and link them. The next few items I want to share with you all are going to be some general bits and bobbles that I picked up in store and online at TJ Maxx. The first is going to be these really cute little wooden trays. I love creating charcuterie boards and like serving platters. I absolutely love creating them. That's my favorite thing to do, and that's why I'm going to be starting a supper club, because I just love entertaining. But I thought these were super cute to add to like a little serving platter or a charcuterie board. They're little wooden trays, if you guys can see, and they're just in a rectangle. They almost look like soap dishes, but they are just so cute. I love rustic things like this. These were $7.99 and they were in store at TJ Maxx. I also picked up some candles because, you know, I love to stay stocked up on my candles. I burn candles literally every single day. Even when I come home from work, I'll light a couple of candles in my bedroom. So I always have a lot of candles in stock because I go through them a lot. So I picked up this medium-sized sand and fog candle. I love this brand. I've shared it with you all in past videos, and I got this in store. It was $12.99. There's the price right there. And this is the California Coast inspired scent. This is one of my favorite scents of their candles. And this is a 4-wick candle. I usually get the 7-wick candles from this brand. I get the larger ones, but I thought this medium one would be great to have in my bedroom on one of my nightstands. So picked that up in store. I also picked up this sand and fog candle. This is called Crisp White, and I love it. I love it the most because it's in this rattan little cover here, and it's a clear glass. Super nice candle. I really love the way it looks. This is perfect for my living room. So I had to pick that up, and that was $16.99 in store at TJ Maxx. So had to grab that baby. The next item that I picked up is a cute little laundry bag. I do my laundry every Sunday, so I never build up a lot of laundry unless I'm like doing my bedding and stuff like that. But I like to just kind of take it down in a bag. Like, I don't need to take like a full-on basket or anything like that. So I picked up another laundry bag. This is like a medium-sized one. This was $14.99 and I picked that up in store. And it just says laundry on here. And this is something that I can throw into the wash if I need to as well. So love that. I can just throw in my small load of laundry and take it down and wash it and then bring it back up. So pick that up in store. And like I said, my laundry never builds up to you know, be a lot unless I like go on vacation or something like that, because I do it every Sunday just to keep it small and controlled. The next item that I picked up is going to be this gorgeous wooden frame. I found this in store at TJ Maxx. It was $7.99 and it's just a really nice rustic frame. I thought this would be perfect to put a picture that I have inside of my bedroom. It's in a gold frame, but I want it to be in something a little bit more rustic, and it is a picture of me, you know, just a cute little picture of Leisha. And I keep it on my nightstand, but I want it to be in more of a rustic frame. So I picked this up in store, and as you can see, it's very rustic. I love the kind of angled drooped sides of it. Just a really nice frame from in store. The next thing that I picked up that I want to share with you all is this basket. And the reason I want to share this is because this is going to go on my new coffee table that I picked up. I'm going to put some decorative balls that I've picked up from Amazon in here. And I will insert a clip to show you all what that looks like, because I think it's a really nice decor idea to take like a basket like this, you know, a square basket that's sort of deep but not too deep, and put decorative balls in it and put it on your coffee table or on a side table or something like that. It looks so nice. So I will insert a clip of that. Hopefully my new coffee table will be here in time that I can share that in this video, but I'm not sure. It's from Wayfair, and you know, I don't know how quick the shipping is going to be, but yeah, pick this up from in store. This was $9.99, and it's just a really nice basket, decorative basket for my new coffee table that's coming. The next bit and bauble that I picked up is stunning, and it is this terracotta vase. This is made in Indonesia, and it was $19.99. There's the tag right there. And as you can see, this is a stunning rustic terracotta vase. You can see the little abnormalities on the top and stuff like that. And then it's covered in this gorgeous rattan rope. This vase is so gorgeous, so unique. Definitely another piece that's going to go on my new coffee table, so I had to pick that up, and it is available both in store and online, so I'll link it for you all. It's a really nice vase if you're into rustic, ethnic, really cool pieces. I'd say this vase is a must-have, and you can put flowers in it, you can put grass in it, you can put feathers in it. You can definitely get creative with what you stick inside of it, but I love this vase. So nice, and only $20. It looks so expensive, you all, super expensive. And like I said, if my coffee table does come, I'll definitely insert a clip so you all can see that basket as well as that vase sitting on my new coffee table. If not, I'll show it to you all one way or another, so hopefully I can figure out some way to insert a clip of the vase actually sitting somewhere, because you know, I want to show y'all this stuff actually installed. So the next few items that I'll be sharing with you all are going to be for my bathroom, and I'm going to also insert clips to show you all. I'm going to go through all of this stuff first, and then I'll insert the clip. But the first thing that I picked up is this really cute sort of grassy or dried wheat pot, and of course this is a faux plant. It was $16.99 in store at TJ Maxx. I did find a similar vase online that I'll leave the link in the description for you all. It doesn't have the grass, but the vase itself is kind of rustic. As you can see, this vase has some distressing around the top of it and so on. So I love things like that. I love things that are elegant with like a rustic vibe. That is totally my vibe, y'all. But yeah, pick that up in store for $16.99, and it is adorable. The next thing I want to share with you all is also for the bathroom. It is a shower curtain that I picked up. Now I picked up 2 of them, and I did that because I'm going to have one of these shower curtains turned into curtains. And that's a great idea for you all. If you want your shower curtain and your curtains in your bathroom to match, you can take it to the tailor and have him or her turn one of your shower curtains into curtains. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to take one of these to the tailor. But as you can see, it has a gorgeous sort of tribal-y, you know, light linen print on there. And I love the material of this curtain. It almost feels like linen, and it's just super cute. Just a regular length shower curtain. And what drew me in was the color and the pattern on it. So really trying to lighten up that bathroom and make it look a lot more cozy and spa-like and just feel really nice. And like I said, I'm not planning to be here long in this apartment, but while I'm here, it's gonna be nice. I also picked up a shower curtain liner because, you know, it's just good to upgrade these once in a while, because usually shower curtain liners, they'll get water stains and stuff like that. I don't have a glass shower, so my shower, you actually have to insert a shower curtain and you need a liner as well. So picked up one of those, and that was from in store, and it was $5.99. And the shower curtains were each $19.99 in store. So really cute. I can't wait to see what those look like in the bathroom. And like I said, once I show you all this stuff, I'll insert a clip of what the bathroom looks like. I have one more item, and that's going to be a rug for the bathroom, and it is this fiber rug, natural fiber rug. This is like a jute rug, and it is like a, I guess it's a 3x5 rug. This is what she looks like. Like I said, this is a natural colored jute rug, and I will now insert that clip of the bathroom so that you all can see the rug on the floor, the shower curtain, as well as the curtains and my little plant here in the bathroom. So right now I'll go ahead and insert that clip and let you all see it. See kind of the upgrades to my bathroom just to kind of lighten things up. I do have some other black accents in my bathroom, but I'm in the process of kind of changing it. So it's gonna take a while before I switch out everything. And I'm not even sure if I will before I move from here, but that's what the bathroom is looking like right now. So really nice jute natural fiber rug that kind of exfoliates your feet when you walk on it. And then a really nice shower curtain, and also a shower curtain that I've turned into curtains. So you all saw that. Really, really nice upgrades to my bathroom. Hopefully you find them inspiring. So I almost forgot to show you guys these two knit blankets that I also picked up from tjmaxx.com. I picked up this black one. As you can see, it's just a really nice thick throw blanket, and I've already removed the tags from it because I wasn't even going to include it, but I said why not. I can link it for you guys. I also picked up this sort of taupey colored one, and both of them are by the brand Safavier. I think they were both about $24.99 on the website, but yeah, these are from tjmaxx.com, and they're just really nice thick heavy throw blankets that I have draped over my sofa. So I wanted to share those with you guys before I end the video. Thank you all so much for checking out this spring home update haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope this video was inspiring for you all. I've linked everything in the description that I showed you in this video. A lot of the items I did pick up in store, so I tried to find similar items to link for you all. So if you want to pick up any of these items, just check that description. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love to know in the comments, what spring home updates do you make to your home? I don't do the traditional, you know, eggs, Easter stuff. You know, you're not going to see lemon wreaths everywhere in my place, but I do like to lighten and brighten things up a little bit, and I'd love to get some more ideas from you all. So share in those comments what you do to update your home for spring and summer. I'd love to know. But I want to thank you all again for watching. Stay tuned for more spring videos. Take care of yourselves out there. Love you guys. See you on the next one. Bye.